Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. So, if we open developer options, right here we can check Bluetooth audio codec, and we have only AC and SBC codec, because you need to use the application to enable DAC in the app firstly, and then we can check it in the developer options. Also, you cannot install HUAWEI AI Life application using Play Store, only using App Gallery or your browser. If you don't know how to install this application, you can check video at this channel. So, open it. When you add your earbuds, you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and you need to find sound quality line and tap at this line. Then we need to wait a bit, and we will see two options: prioritize connection quality or prioritize sound quality. So I'm going to speed up it for you. Now we have it. So by default we use connection quality, and we need to switch to the prioritize sound quality. Also, to use LDAC, your phone should support this codec also. That's why we cannot use LDAC on Apple devices, like on iPhone, because Apple devices doesn't support LDAC or another high-resolution audio codecs like IPTX, LC3, or LHDC. Now, let's enable it. And after that, let's return to the developer options. As you can see, we have DAC and now we use it. To disable DAC, you have two options. You can or enter into developer options, find Bluetooth audio codec. You can use the search and just write codec here. Let me show it for you. So, codec. We have Bluetooth audio codec only if you enable developer options. And also, if you don't know how to enable developer options for your phone, you can check the video at the How to Set Info channel. We have it just for your device. And after that, you tap on it and click on it. So you can switch to AC or SBC, it's up to you. But also, we can disable DAC if we return to the application and switch to the prioritize connectional quality. Now, let's return here, and we have no DAC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.